What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, and today I am unboxing the DJI Mavic Air, and I'm also going to give you my first impressions of everything. Now, yes, I have opened it so that I can get the batteries charged and good to go, ready for the test flight, which will be in another video, so stay tuned. Well, let's open it up. So I got it in the Arctic White. I quite like it actually. This is our box. See a nice little case. A traveling case. And you got some propeller guards, and along with all your different manuals and things. So that's in the big box. Oh, this is the Fly More combo. So you get 3 total batteries. It's pretty awesome, right? And inside our traveling case, this box. It's pretty awesome. You get 2 sets of propellers. It's always great to have. You never know when you crash. These cables are different cables for different phones. Which connects to the controller, so you can connect your phone straight to it, and it actually charges your phone while you're out there flying and doing all the fun stuff. There you have like a nice battery adapter with USB, so you can charge that. This hooks up straight to the battery, so you can charge it from a USB. Alright, so this little case, I mean, it caught me off guard. Opened it, and I wasn't expecting the drone to be inside of it. It's actually pretty small, which I kind of like actually. So, yes, the battery goes here. I took it out so I could charge it. And camera's here. Has a nice little cover for it. It's actually really nice. It's a 3-axis gimbal, however you want to say it. Sensors. And our, how's this thing open? How's it open? Let's do. Okay. So the back propellers push down and out. Sticker. See? Down and out. And then the other ones just come straight up. It's pretty nice. I really like how compact it is. It's really awesome. It's really light too. Seems very sturdy. It's amazing. So, without further ado, I'll show you the controller. As compact as it is. Got your antennas, come out, and these arms come down, become your handles, and then your phone. So the DJI, this Mavic Air is actually geared towards the iPhone. As you see the connection right there for the cable is, for an iPhone. But once again, like I said, you can have an Android hooked up to it with this cable, with these different adapters, which plug in here. So you take that out, and you just swap it out. What I found really neat too is little joysticks for hiding up in there. See the other one up there, and just screws in. Oh, another thing is it comes with extra joysticks in case you lose these two. So yeah, there you go. Joysticks. And like I was saying, your phone goes in here, just clamps in there, hooks up, charges it, and it works with the DJI 4.0 drone app. It's really nice. I really like this. It's really cool. So you may not think it's cool, but let me get some things out here. So this little contraption, it's a battery charging hub. Wow. It opens up. Look at that. Then it becomes a battery charging station. You can charge up to 4 batteries at a time. So you're 2 slots on each side. The power cable just pops up in there. And it charges one at a time, and it will charge the most charge battery at once. Oh. That way you can have a fully charged battery sooner than later, so you can pop it in and start flying it again. It's really awesome. So yeah, once again, this is the Fly More combo pack. This was one that was installed in the drone, and it comes with 2 extra batteries. It actually charges really fast too. And it was told, or I read, that it has 21 minutes total flight time. I'm really interested in seeing how that works, or if it holds up to that time. It's been snowing outside and wind crazy, so I really haven't been able to fly it yet, and I'm really looking forward to flying it, and I can't wait. Stay tuned for that flight test video, and if you have any more questions about this drone, or you think I missed something, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions at all. So once again, this is the Mavic Air, latest release from DJI. It's so lightweight, so compact. I'm really excited about this, especially with the new features it has too. Oh yeah, stay tuned for the video. Speedy Pro out.